Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to the Dual Kitchen.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our little home where we cook and eat. My name is Zoe. Today we are making Chinese Char Siu. So I just use this seasoning. On the back have directions on how to marinate. Said to use pork but dissolve contents of 1 pack with 1 cup of water. I only use half cup of water. And then we put it in the Ziploc bag and marinate the pork more than 2-3 hours. We did overnight. So we just preheat the oven for 400. We're gonna put it on the grill, a foil paper down on the bottom, have a rack, and then put your pork on top, laid really evenly. And then we're gonna put it in for 20 minutes. We do also have a twist at the end, so I will show you later. And then we put the net down. Wait, I'm gonna just put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Boil, start. Here's some honey. Put it on top, coat it. Back to the oven on the bottom rack. Now we're gonna flip to the other side and do the same thing. Then we're gonna pop it back to the oven.